In this video, I'll show you how to fix the failed to connect to the server connection refused error in Minecraft. Method 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working properly. Try restarting your router and reconnecting. Method 2. Verify server address and port. Double-check the server IP address and port you're trying to connect to. A typo can cause connection issues. Method 3. Restart Minecraft and your device. Close Minecraft completely and restart your PC or device. Then, open Minecraft and try connecting again. Method 4. Check server status. The server you're trying to join might be down or offline. Check the server's website or social media for updates. Method 6. Update Minecraft and Java. Make sure Minecraft and Java, if using the Java edition, are up to date. Outdated versions can cause connection issues. Method 7. Flush DNS cache. On Windows, open command prompt as admin. Type IP protocol configuration /flushdns and press enter. Restart Minecraft and try again. Method 8. Use VPN or check network restrictions. If you're on a restricted network, school, work, try using a VPN to bypass restrictions, or switch to a different network. Thanks for watching. If this helped you fix the connection issue, please like and subscribe for more Minecraft tips and tricks.